Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing these classic homemade hamburger buns with the perfect flavor, texture and body. These turned out really well, soft, fluffy, lovely taste and golden brown. You will love this recipe and will not need to search for another one. Also, you will never want to go back to store-bought buns again. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The method. We are on stage 1 preparing the dough, so add in the listed ingredients to the mixing bowl of a stand mixer. That's the water, dry yeast, eggs, sugar, bread flour and salt. Make sure the water is warm at room temperature. Now mix to combine until it forms a soft and sticky dough. Knead with the dough hook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Add water as required to make sure the dough is soft and sticky. Alternatively, you can knead by hand for 10 to 12 minutes. Now add in the melted butter. The kneading is done when the dough leaves the side of the mixing bowl. We're now ready for the window pane test, so check that the dough passes the window pane test. That is, the dough must be able to stretch into a thin membrane without tearing. We're also ready for the first proofing, so grease with oil, then cover and set aside in the warm place to double in size. You can place the dough in a warm oven with the light left on, just make sure the oven is switched off. When the first proofing has done and the dough has doubled in size, tip it onto a floured surface. Handle gently and weigh the dough. We can see that the dough is a little over 1100 grams. Now divide the dough into 11 equal sized portions by weight. In this case, Tricky is dividing them into 11 portions of 100 grams each. Now take a portion and gently roll. Shape it into a round dough ball. Similarly, shape the remaining portions into round dough balls. Then cover and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now arrange the dough balls on a baking tray lined with greaseproof or parchment paper. This is an alternate option. You can use ring molds to bake the hamburger buns. You will need 11 ring molds for the 11 hamburger buns. We have chosen not to use ring molds. Simply flatten each dough ball. We are now ready for the second proofing, so set aside in the warm place to rise until it doubles in size. While the dough is proofing and you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. When the hamburger buns have doubled in size, brush the tops with egg wash. You can prepare the egg wash by whisking 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of water together. Now sprinkle sesame seeds over the top. Bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until done. Halfway through the baking process, rotate the tray by 180 degrees for even baking. Then remove from the oven when done. The hamburger buns are done when they are golden brown and they sound hollow when tapped on top. Then brush the tops with melted butter. Then set aside on a wire rack to cool completely. So we've come now to the best part. Your burger bun is now ready for you to enjoy. Use your creativity to build it as you wish. And there you have it, classic homemade hamburger buns with a perfect flavor, texture and body. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickeys Kitchen has lots of other bread recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.